All right, for our large pool, we're going to require two of them. If you guys could see the intake, outtake. So this is going to be about 220 volts. You're going to have to make sure you have the power.
Hey, today we're going to bring this pump, and we have a pool here, and I'm going to show you where the pump goes, but I'm going to show you how it sucks in the water and it takes it out. Now, prior to starting, you got to make sure you add water to it. That's a mandatory thing when it actually cover it up. So this is the cover. Put you guys down. When you got settings in here, you got your on, pause, menu, escape, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4. Now, this pool takes 2 of these pumps because it's a large pool.
All right, this pump is very powerful. It's about 3.0 horsepower with pretty much 11,359 gauge high. So flow, it's going to be really quick. Very speeds, I like that. Now, one thing I didn't include and I didn't add in here, that they give you 2 different ends for different tie-ins, all right? That means your PVC piping could go on either end, and they give you 2 different options of the sizes. All right, now one of the things that a lot of people think it's going to be at 110 voltage, this is a higher voltage because it's a strong pump. Just be aware that it's 220 volts. All right, and that's something that you need to talk to your technician or whoever's going to install this pump. Now, one of the things I mandatory say that you always have to install it with water. Once you run it with water, it's going to run clear. If it's not being used, you could drain off the water. There is a drain to drain off the water, but overall, it's a great pump for any kind of large pool.